If your warehouse fails, your entire supply chain fails. Today, I want to talk about why Hong Kong warehousing is no longer just storage space, it's a strategic decision. For many years, warehousing was treated as a support function, something operational, something secondary, but that has changed. In a recent global industry survey, logistics leaders rank warehousing in logistics hubs as the #1 infrastructure priority for trade development. And why? Because warehousing today determines speed, resilience, and market access. It shapes your entire distribution network. And in Asia, there is one location that continues to stand out: Hong Kong. Hong Kong has remained at the center of commercial flows in Asia for decades. It links China's manufacturing base with global consumer markets. Hong Kong is connected to over 470 destinations by air, sea, and land. It operates as a free trade port with no import duties on almost goods. That means fewer customs barriers, faster cargo circulation, lower operational friction. For e-commerce brands and global traders, this matters. But there's something people don't talk about enough. Not all Hong Kong warehouses are the same. Traditional public warehouses, especially those in land-limited areas, often focus on bulk storage and long-term leasing. Facilities can be aging, flexibility can be limited. Processes are standardized with little room for customization. For businesses handling high-value goods, fast-moving inventory, or regional distribution, this creates friction. And in a market like Hong Kong, where land is scarce and time is expensive, efficiency is everything. A modern warehouse in Hong Kong should offer modern space. It should offer management, integration, visibility. At FS Hong Kong warehouse, operations and office teams work in the same floor. That shortens decision trains. Inventory management is real time. Warehouse documentation and logistics coordination are synchronized. This reduces delays and improves supply chain responsiveness. We also provide value-added services: kitting and repacking, light assembly, barcode and QR code scanning, returns handling, photo documentation. These details may seem small, but they directly impact customer experience. Now, let's talk about something critical: climate. Hong Kong's subtropical climate brings intense heat and high humidity. Humidity levels can reach 70 and 85% in summer. High humidity can clog circuit boards, damage leather goods, reduce pharmaceutical efficacy. That's why climate control warehousing is not a luxury, it's a risk management. A true climate control warehouse manages both temperature and humidity. It includes monitoring systems, backup power supply, and strict environmental standards. At FS, we maintain clean, professionally managed facilities with temperature and humidity control, combined with 24-hour CCTV monitoring and strict fire safety compliance. Security is never compromised. Now here's a question many clients ask: is climate control warehousing more expensive than standard warehousing? The short answer is yes. Operationally, it costs more because you're running advanced HVAC systems, continuous monitoring technology, backup power systems. But here's the real question: how much does damaged inventory cost? How much does a product recall cost? And how much does brand reputation damage cost? For high-value electronics, pharmaceuticals, luxury goods, climate control is not an expense. It's insurance, it's risk management. In many cases, the cost of one damaged shipment exceeds years of proper storage investment. So when you think about warehousing in Hong Kong, don't just ask, where can I store my goods? Ask instead, how fast can I move? How safe are my goods? And how resilient is my supply chain? Because warehousing is no longer a support function, it's a strategic asset. In Asia, Hong Kong remains one of the smartest places to build that advantage.